despite offloading a substantial part of its BS-3 stock post the Supreme Court order banning the sale of BS-3 vehicles after the 31st of March, Tata Motors says that the fourth quarter will see a financial impact on account of migration to BS-4 norms. Speaking to CNBC-TV18's Farah Bookwala Vhora, he added that FY18 will prove to be a tough year for medium and heavy commercial vehicles. Listen in.
So at the end of the month, we are left with about, the dealer inventory is very minimal. It's about 3,000 vehicles only. And the high value inventory is very low. Less than 500 are actually M&HCV stock. And many of them may actually be stock which is not usable, sellable because of obsolescence or accident and all that. The company is carrying about 15,000. Here again, our M&HCV stock is only about 3,500. The fact is that more than half the inventory, whatever be the value, is actually easily sellable into export.
So out of the 15,000 units that are with the company, 50% of that is exportable?
Roughly 8,500 to 9,000. So it's actually about 60%.
60%, okay.
Is export with minimal intervention. You know, there is no cost also to make these vehicles export ready. So really, we are talking about 6,000 to 7,000 vehicles where we are looking to find solutions. There are options available to other conversion and also spare parts.
We all knew that the first quarter of fiscal year 18 was going to be a slightly subdued month because there was a lot of pre-buying that in either case was taking place as the market was preparing for the migration to BS4. Now, on account of this Supreme Court verdict and the frenzied activity as far as sale was concerned, how long do you think demand is going to be subdued?
This pre-buying is really an M&HCV impact. Definitely we will see a very slow quarter for M&HCV, and given that last year first quarter was actually good, the year-on-year comparison will look pretty ugly. But for buses and LCVs, we don't...
We're starting out on a very high base.
But comparatively, the second quarter will be good, because last year second quarter was very weak. And by this year second quarter, GST would have settled down, and all the uncertainties would have gone away. So in a sense, how the year will plan out for M&HCV, I'm still hoping at least it will be flat, but a lot will depend on the first 6 months.
That was Tata Motors on